Top 25 AI text to image generator tools in 2025, like DALL from America, MidJourney from America, Stable Diffusion from Germany, Diffusion from America, Art Reader from America, Runway ML from America, Jasper Art from America, Carry On from America, Deep AI from America, Dream by Wombo from Canada, X-Ray from America, Deep Artifacts from Canada, Hotpot.ai from America, AI Picasso from Germany, Zyro AI from Lithuania, Infiltrate from America, Deep Dream Studio from UK, Pates Jenner from Germany, Art.ai from Russia, GetIMG from America, Deep Floyd from France, and last one is Playground from America. So please subscribe my channel for more knowledge about world.